Hi guys, thank you for tuning into my video. This look is perfect for your end of year work parties, your Christmas parties, your New Year's Eve party. If you're feeling my bundles, I will have a video on how I achieved this color and some more details on it in another video. Thanks for tuning in guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye. I've already done my eyebrows, and as per usual, I've already set my eyelids with my Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C12. Today's palette will be the Morphe 39A palette. To begin, we'll be using Vivid just to warm up the eyelid. After using Vivid, we will use Create, which is this magenta looking color over here. After using Create, I'm going to now use Forever, which is this dark purple aubergine color. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to use my Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution in C12. We will use Forever and Create to have sort of like an ombre going on the eyelid. Forever. Create now. To make sure we're getting that seamless blend of the colours, overlap around the transition line area. I just realised I have a metallic eyeshadow by KIKO that I haven't yet tried out. I'm scared that it's limited edition because I picked it up after Christmas. It is this nice light pink colour. Actually with the brush that had Create on it. So you could go in with eyeliner, but I think it is quite dramatic and dark as it is. Now it's time for the face, and I might just bring up my Fenty Pro Filt'r foundation in 420. For whatever reason, I don't have my Fix Plus at the moment, so I just spray my brushes with my NYX matte finishing spray. We're using my two favourite concealers as per usual. I've got a bigger one because I ran through the small one too quickly. My C13 and my C12 from Makeup Revolution. Contour, I'm going to use C16, another one of my Conceal and Define concealers from Makeup Revolution. contour the face as per usual. I think I need to find a new contour powder and whatnot, because I'm gonna end up using Sleep forever if I'm not careful. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder to bake. For my highlighter, I'll be using my Inglot Sparkling Dust in 02. And because the eyeshadow is very loud, I don't think I should have loud lips as well. So I'm just going to pair this bold eye with a nude lip. I'm not sure which nude, okay? So they all look alike, but I'm stuck. I'm thinking maybe Tiramisu with a dark brown lip liner. Dark brown first, and then this brown is a bit spiced. Ooh, this pink is cute. If you'd like to see more content from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, and I will see you soon.